It is an iPad, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what more you want from me. This is a pretty simple unboxing. I'm going to make it pretty quick. So, the 2018 iPad. Let's ramble off some specs while I get in here. So, it has a Lightning connector instead of USB Type-C like on the iPad Pros. It has a home button instead of the gesture-based navigation of the iPad Pros. But, let's be clear here. It's $329 compared to $750. Let's see what you're getting for $329. You've got a 9.7-inch LED screen. That's going to be 264 pixels per inch. Got that nice, smooth, oleophobic coating on it. This, of course, does have Apple Pencil support, which at $329 Apple Pencil support, not bad. You're rocking the A10 Fusion chip processor in this one. You've got an 8-megapixel camera on the back. No flash on this, like on the iPad Pros. It's a very basic camera. Maxes out at 1080p video recording, all that good stuff. You can get it in Wi-Fi or cellular. It comes with the standard iPad charger that's been in the box for years. Really not much to this iPad. Just wanted to give you a little idea of what $329 gets you in the Apple world today. A very, very solid device. Really the only downside is it does not have a laminated display, so there's a little bit of an air gap. But if you can overlook that, the value that you're getting here is awesome. Like I said, this is the cheapest iPad, so if you don't have an iPad yet or you want to switch over from Android or Windows, this is going to be the place to start.